bright and spacious 2-bedroom condo in the heart of Stony Plain. This third-floor unit has newer paint, baseboards and vinyl plank flooring, newer scratch-resistant countertops replaced in the chef's kitchen with ample space. There is a great open floor plan from the kitchen to the dining area to the living area that has patio doors to the deck, which is great for barbecues and views of the pond and trees. Primary bedroom has walk-through his and her closets to the full 4PC ensuite. The second bedroom is generous-sized right next to the main 4PC bath. There is also ensuite laundry with large storage area. The condo also has secured mail delivery and a games room for larger parties or events.